Hey everybody, just doing a little vlog today about the reasons for me and my personal reasons why life insurance is so important, depending on the situation, and my personal experience with that, and why I will always discuss it with clients, and what I do. I tell my clients this scenario. So let me begin. As you know, and as most people know, so I was an estate agent. Before I became a mortgage advisor, I was an estate agent, and I did love being an estate agent. It was really, really good. It was very exciting. You would meet people all the time, and new first-time buyers, buying their first home, new home movers, all this type of stuff. Very exciting stuff. Now, there was always one type of transaction or valuation. There was never a nice one, and that was. I'll paint the picture. So that would be that I would turn up and I would meet the widow, and then you'd meet meet her child or children, depending on the situation, and they were having to sell their home. So I'd be valuing their home, and they would be selling their home purely because, sadly, awfully, her husband had passed away, or would have passed away. This is more than once, and she wasn't the primary earner, and he was, and they didn't have life insurance, so they'd have to sell the house because they couldn't afford the mortgage. I'm going to point out now then that, to me, that scenario, I loved my job, but that scenario was never fun, ever fun. It was never fun it wasn't fun when I was sat with them and I was filling out the contracts and valuing the house and hearing the situation. It wasn't fun when you did viewings and you did, took people around the house. It wasn't fun when you had to explain the situation as to why they were selling. It wasn't fun when you were negotiating the offer on the home. It wasn't fun when the offer was accepted. It wasn't fun when it was completed, and it was definitely not fun when those keys were handed over. It was not. It was terrible. It's awful. And in a lot of cases, for life insurance, depending on a vanilla case, we spend more money on our Costa coffees over a month than we would in our life insurance usually. So to me, it's a real personal thing that people were not. This is crazy. This is not something that, I will always talk to my clients. I will always talk to my clients about life insurance and all the other relevant insurances, because there's not just life, but I'll always talk about it in that scenario, because whatever went on there, I hope that whenever I deal with clients that they are not that doesn't happen, because it's the worst thing, and it's always stuck with me. It's really stuck with me, and that's why when I talk to any client, I make sure that they fully understand the risks involved in taking a mortgage, the risks involved in if your income drops, all that stuff, because I've seen it firsthand too many times to feel like that sometimes people don't understand the gravity of that situation. I say it with clients, but I haven't told you guys. So anyway, have a great day. Thank you.